In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Etc. future while examining Ethereum Classic cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum Classic. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Ethereum Classic value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that etc. is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will etc. succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Ethereum Classic value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is etc. and its to-date history. Ethereum Classic Introduction. Ethereum Classic is a fork of Ethereum. Or on the other hand, as some would agree, Ethereum is a fork of Ethereum Classic, contingent upon who you ask, and can be somewhat aggravating. One way or the other, the first Ethereum blockchain is parted into two contending adaptations. The DAO, otherwise known as the Decentralized Independent Association, was an intricate, shrewd agreement which planned to reform Ethereum until the end of time. It was essentially going to be a decentralized funding store which planned to subsidize all future dApps made in the eco framework. In the span of 28 days of its development, it gathered more than $150 million worth of Ether in a crowd sale. Around then, it had 14% of all Ether tokens gave to date. On 17 June 2016, somebody took advantage of this very escape clause in the DAO and siphoned away 33% of the DAO's assets. That is around $50 million bucks. The consequence of the hack split the local area. One section needed to do a hard fork and make another chain with the partition just before the DAO assault. That brought forth Ethereum. The ones that were not in concurrence with the hard fork and demanded the changelessness of the blockchain remained in what is presently called Ethereum Classic. Etc. is a savvy contract stage that is probably the biggest organization action of any blockchain, reliably higher than Bitcoin money, and in a dead heat with Litecoin. They have different designer groups, every one of whom are focused on the drawn-out etc. vision. They are in the main tenant developer movement. They have various wellsprings of financing, and we keep on developing, step by step, commit by commit, line by line of code to make an impenetrable organization that anybody can utilize. Both blockchains are indistinguishable all around up until block 1,920,000, where the hard fork to discount the DAO token holders was carried out, implying that every one of the equilibriums, wallets, and exchanges that occurred on Ethereum until the hard fork are as yet legitimate on the Ethereum Classic blockchain. After the hard fork, the blockchains were parted in two and act exclusively. The fight among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic is both a moral and philosophical one. Ethereum Classic value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 10-15. 5.21% $26 22 2022 1016. 6.05% $25 99 2022 1017. 4.49% $26 42 2022 1018. Plus 0.12% $27 69 2022 1019. 3.12% $26 80 2022 1020. 1.60% $27 22 2022 1021. 2.23% $27.04. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NA. 36.96% $17.44 2022 DEC. 57.00% $11.89 2023 Jan. 53.74% $12.80 2023 Feb. 46.64% $14.76 2023 Blemish. 45.50% $15.07 2023 APRA. 34.97% $17.99 2023 May. 30.78% $19.15 2023 June. 31.57% $18.93 2023 Joel. 22.46% $21.45 2023 AUG. 20.75% $21.92 2023 SEP. 13.03% $24.06 2023 AUG. 10.90% $24.64 ETC value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees etc. coming to $55.87 in 2025. What will etc. be worth in 5 years? The cost of etc. in 5 years could lie around $40. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum Classic will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Ethereum Classic coming to $50 in 2030. What Ethereum Classic will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Ethereum Classic coming to $0 in 2040. Will Ethereum Classic supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Ethereum Classic won't supplant or surpass BTC. How high will Ethereum Classic go? Our estimating model sees Ethereum Classic cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Ethereum Classic worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Ethereum Classic. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave procedure. Ethereum Classic is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Ethereum Classic a wise speculation? Ethereum Classic is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a real local area, and the group behind the task is doubtful. Could Ethereum Classic at any point make you a tycoon? No, Ethereum Classic could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will Ethereum Classic be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $10.51. In the long haul, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Ethereum Classic succeed and get more expensive? Ethereum Classic has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no interesting offer. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Ethereum Classic to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the transient expectation for Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic will reach $10.51 in the following 90 days, which is a 62%